Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashi Adani and for today's video we're going to be doing this look which is absolutely appropriate for summers because we are using very less products, and this look is transfer proof, waterproof, sweat proof and affordable. So if you like everything I just said, then keep on watching and let's get started. Alright you guys, first things first, put your hair behind. It's just easier to do your makeup that way, and I'm also going to drink some watermelon juice throughout because it's so hot. So the first step is skincare. Now it is very hot, so all I do is apply some toner and skip all skincare. I directly go to sunscreen because it's so hot, your makeup will melt if you use a moisturizer. Obviously if you have dry skin you can use like a lightweight moisturizer, but I like a moisturizing sunscreen so that both the benefits of the product are done. So I'm going to be using La Shield sunscreen gel. It has SPF 40, it's oil free, it's very nice and lightweight basically, and this one doesn't leave any white cast, so that's great. Apply this. Starting में ये थोड़ा सा thick लगेगा, but it just melts into your skin really. Obviously do not forget your neck. Also why I love this sunscreen is because it blurs the skin and it also mattifies it. You instantly can see like my skin looks very blurred out, and I absolutely love this. If you want इसके ऊपर थोड़ा सा compact लगा के you can be good to go. But we're going to move on to more makeup. Next for primer, I'm going to use Lakme Blur Perfect Primer. This is one of my favorite primers of all times. This one also just on my T-zone क्योंकि ज़्यादा layers नहीं करने हैं face पे. So only use the product wherever it's required. I'm using it around my nose where I actually have the pores and on my forehead to smoothen it out basically. और ये भी काफ़ी matte है, so it works out perfectly. By the way, I also got all these products from Amazon, so I'm going to link it down in the description box. You can check it out. Lovely. So the base is looking nice and matte, and we're going to keep it that way. Next, I'm going to use a foundation. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. मैं सिर्फ आधा pump actually use करने वाली हूँ, and I'm only focusing it on the cheeks जहाँ पे भी मुझे पिगमेंटेशन है, बिकॉज अगेन वी आर ट्राइंग टू एलिमिनेट एंड यूज वेरी थिन लेयर्स. ये वाला काफ़ी मैट रहता है थ्रू आउट द डे, विच इज़ वॉट आई लव अबाउट इट. इसमें बहुत सारे शेड्स भी है, सो यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड समथिंग फॉर योर सेल्फ दैट मैचेज योर स्किन परफेक्टली. एंड यू कैन सी मैं बहुत ज़्यादा कवर नहीं कर रही हूँ. यू कैन सी माई एक्ने स्कार्स थ्रू. आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू इवन आउट माई स्किन टोन because we are not trying to use a lot of product. Next up is concealing. जहाँ पे भी मैंने foundation नहीं लगाया है, I'm going to use this PAC Spotlight Concealer. Under the eyes, over the eyes, थोड़ा यहाँ पे, and never apply concealer on your smile lines because smile lines बहुत easily crease होती है. So why add more product? In fact, I'm going to use it under my contour to kind of contour my face a little bit. And I think that's enough, but मैं थोड़ा यहाँ पे लगा देती हूँ. Again, I'm using a brush to blend almost everything because the coverage, I want the coverage to stay, and beauty blender से usually coverage थोड़ा सा चला जाता है. इस कंसीलर में बहुत ज़्यादा कवरेज है एंड येलो टोन्स भी है विच कैन इवन आउट माई अंडर आइज का ग्रेनेस. आई एम यूजिंग द शेड 06 beige. I have a pro tip for you. If you are on a budget, you should check out these products on Amazon because they usually have a lot of offers going on these brands and more. So, you know, you can save some money there. I'm just using a beauty blender under my eyes to even out the brush strokes. बाकी coverage वैसी की वैसी रहेगी. Next up is the most important step of any summer look, which is a loose powder. Please invest in a loose powder. This is very good to set everything on your face without looking cakey. मैं usually वैसे पाउडर्स चूज़ करती हूँ जहाँ पे थोड़ा सा कलर हो, सो इट कैन ऐड कवरेज. बट इफ़ यू आर वेरी कन्फ्यूज्ड अबाउट योर शेड, go for a translucent loose powder, but go for a loose powder. I have not used compact powders in so many years because I'm obsessed with loose powders. मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ Maybelline Fit Me because this one also will give me coverage. I'm in the shade 20 light medium. I'm going to teach you the best way to use a loose powder so it doesn't cake up your face. मैंने थोड़ा सा लूज पाउडर इसमें लिया है एंड आई एम यूजिंग अ डैम्प ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर. बहुत वेट नहीं है, इट्स little wet. It's soft basically. I have dipped my beauty blender into the powder and I'm not going to apply this directly on my face. You first take it on your palm, which will remove all the extra product twice if required. बहुत little powder लेकर just go under your eyes and don't leave it. Blend it with the beauty blender itself. वो आपका सब creases fill कर देगा and you will not have to touch up. Can you see the difference between both the sides? That's it. Now I'm gonna take the same powder little bit and I'm gonna go under the other eye. Again, blend it with the beauty blender. Udhar hi, don't wait for it to settle down. This is going to change your makeup game. Again, I'm taking some more powder, dusting it on my hand, going over my eyes. और जहाँ पे भी अगर आपको ज़्यादा wrinkles है, supposedly my forehead has a few wrinkles, so I'm just gonna press the lightest amount of product और वो smooth हो जाता है, literally पूरा area smooth कर देता है. So I focus this on my under eyes. Now if you're someone who sweats a lot, you wanna take some and press your entire nose down with this. This will prevent a lot of sweating. Creasing भी नहीं होगा. If you know, if foundation or something creases around your nose, this will prevent that. And lastly, around your mouth, because a lot of people tend to sweat around their mouth और मुझे smile lines बहुत ज़्यादा आती है. So I like to press it around my mouth as well. अभी हमने इतना सारा almost 80% of the face powder से cover कर दिया है. But in person, I'm not very sure on camera, but in person it looks like just a very light base. It does not look heavy, cakey at all. और वो भी हम फिक्स करने वाले हैं. So just press your entire face down. If you get very sweaty, press your entire face down. Just don't use a lot of product. You need a damp blender and very less loose powder, and you can tame down your entire face. Bronzer highlighters मैं समझ में नहीं करती, so I'm just directly going to skip to the blush, which is the Swiss Beauty Cream in Tint. ये मैंने actually Instagram में एक वीडियो बनाने के लिए लिया था, but I have been obsessed with it. And मैंने देखा Amazon पे इस पे बहुत सारे shades हैं, मेरे पास तो यही है, but I can't wait to try the other shades. It's a cream blush. You see, it's quite bright, so थोड़ा सा लेकर tap and then you can slowly start blending it into your skin. It looks very very pretty and it blends over powders as well. अभी हमने पूरे face पे powder लगाया लेकिन cream blush उसके ऊपर भी blend हो रहा है. Very nice. I like to focus some on my nose also for that sun-kissed look. मैंने एक बार dip किया और पूरा face हो गया है. And it's such a nice and rosy coral color, perfect for summers. Next up, I thought eyes के लिए थोड़ा कुछ fun कर सकते हैं. I thought of a colored liner. So I have this Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette which has a lot of pigmented shades. मैंने एक Instagram hack देखा है which is actually quite good, where you take some micellar water in your eyeshadow palette and a brush and you apply. Which color should I use? I think ये brown वाला बहुत अच्छा है. So we're going to use that one. और ये eyeliner बन गया है guys. I'm gonna do a maroon eyeliner. मैं usually Instagram, TikTok hacks को मानती नहीं, but oh my god, this one मैंने try किया and I loved it. कोई भी eyeshadow palette पे you can do it. And I think summer is all about fun eyes and like light base and a lot of fun eyes. So I think this works perfectly. Just a colored liner, not a lot of effort. But ऐसा लगता है that you've put in effort into your looks and stuff. So if you're going for a brunch or a party, ये perfect liner है. अब literally कोई भी color ले सकते हो which matches your outfit. So easy, right? Like so easy, and I think it looks so pretty. अभी last 2-3 steps are left, I promise you. I'm just quickly going to curl my lashes because मेरे से false lashes होते ही नहीं है और summer में तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. So if you want your lashes to have that volume, it's very important to curl them. Amazon has a bunch of beautiful eyelash curlers that are very affordable. So I'll link a few options for you guys. अगर आपके पास eyelash curler नहीं है, you have to get it. It really changes the eyelash game. मैं यूज़ करने वाली हूँ एक वाटर प्रूफ eyeliner. I know these are very difficult to remove, but if you're someone who sweats a lot, cries maybe, वाटरप्रूफ मस्कारा इज़ वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मेबलिन का स्काई हाई मस्कारा. इट इज़ ईजी टू रिमूव. जस्ट टेक some micellar water on a cotton pad, press it down for 10 seconds and then wipe it off. वो निकल जाएगा. Be gentle and be patient but use a waterproof mascara. ये बहुत ही अच्छा है. You can layer like 5-6 coats and it will still look very pretty. और अगर आप colored liners कर रहे हो then you should have a lot of mascara on your eyes because it will help open up your eyes. और जो भी मस्कारा रिमेनिंग है मेरे ब्रश पे, आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कोम थ्रू माई ब्राउज विथ इट. ब्राउज फिल करो, सेट करो, वो सब नहीं होता मेरे से समर्स में. सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू कोम देम थ्रू एंड अगेन बिकॉज दिस इज़ वाटर प्रूफ इट विल कीप देम इन प्लेस फॉर अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. Perfect. And now to tie this entire look together, we need a very nice lipstick. Now either you can do like a matte lipstick, क्योंकि glossy lipstick it's too sticky to do glossy lips or satin lips for that matter. Either you can do a matte lipstick or you can stick with a lip balm that you touch up throughout the day. I love this one from Rene. It's their PH Madness stick, जो black है और pink हो जाती है according to your pH levels. जितना कलर लगाओगे उतना डार्क पिंक होगा. सो आई एम जस्ट डूइंग लाइक 2 layers राइट नाउ एंड इट्स सो क्यूट एंड कॉम्पैक्ट यू गाइज. मतलब आपके पर्स में आ जाएगा. यू कैन जस्ट कीप इट ऑल द टाइम and once the gloss wears off the tint stays, the pink tint. So it's perfect to keep in the summer so that you still have some color on your lips and you can touch up if you want to touch up. The last and the most important part of your makeup after loose powder is setting spray. Setting spray lekar aao. It is very important to keep your makeup looking good and in place all day long. मैं use कर रही हूँ Rene का makeup fixer. Shut your eyes, keep it a little far and just and let this dry on its own. A lot of times people take a beauty blender and press it in and that's okay, but I think जब वो अपने आप मेकअप को सेट करता है it looks very good. It will blend all your powders together. Very important step and a step that will make your makeup look very natural and good as well. There we have it. हमने इतना matte products use किया है फिर भी my skin looks very juicy and dewy and not sweaty, which I absolutely love. Alright you guys, don't forget to check out the description box. ये products की Amazon links मैं उधर डाल दूँगी. Make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, comment below and let me know what else you'd like me to do next. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.